So back in Maha Chai, I have to look for transportation, for a bus or maybe Song Tao, but I don't know the exact distance to Samut Songkhram, but I will find it out. It's not a breakfast, but a coffee. The bus must be this direction somewhere. But I have time enough. It's early, 11 o'clock, so maybe when the train departs here at 1:30, maybe 2 p.m, 2:30 will be the train at Mae Klong train station. So I have enough time to drink my coffee and have lunch, brunch, breakfast in between. So I'll let you know. I have to take the yellow bus or Song Tao. Let's see. So it seems like it's not the yellow one, it's a white it's a white bus, a big bus. I don't know. I have to go a little bit further until I will reach the 7-Eleven, maybe, and then left. 30 baht for the minibus, the white one. Taking the bus.
ที่เราวิ่งรถกันอันนี้มันเป็นสถานีนอกไว้ดักรถสายยาวอย่างเดียวโอ้ยระวังตกค่ะลงนะรอเดี๋ยวเปิดดีกว่า
So just arrived at the minibus station here in Samut Songkhram, and here is the station where I can leave to Bangkok tomorrow. Let's check out. So every hour there is a minibus leaving this station here to Bangkok, so I don't have to worry about timetables or so. Every hour you can go to Bangkok, Ikamai, Mochit or Bangkok Southern bus terminals. Anyway, no problem to leave here. So now let's go to Mae Klong Station. So 12:30. I had no breakfast. Time to eat.
น่ากินแต่รสไม่น่ากินหรอกเพราะหั่นไม่ใส่น้ำตาล
ก็คือวุ้นเป็ดนี่อันนี้ยังดีนะอันนี้กันเท่าไหร่นะ
อันนี้ค่ะพี่ออยนี่ค่ะเอาพี่ได้ก็ได้ วันนี้เยอะนะไม่เป็นวันนี้เดินเยอะนะตัดข้างนะต้น10 บาทออกตัดได้ไม่มีตู้ไหนใช่ไม่ได้มา
So finally arrived at Mae Klong Station. I have to find out when the train will come, so in between I will go to have lunch, and so that I'm not too late when the train will arrive at the station here. So like I mentioned earlier, there is only one train a day at this time. Normally, you can see at the timetable, normally there are... So normally 4 trains coming in, 4 trains coming out every day, but these times only one train will arrive and depart. The departure train is already gone, and the other train will come at 2:30. So now I have time enough. To have my lunch break.
เรา
เอามาเอี้ยวน้ำ2พิเศษ
เจอน้ำ2พิเศษแล้วก็จบนี่เราแป๊บนึงนะครับรอแป๊บนึง
ชาแล้วค่ะบนนึงจะต่อ
ด้วยค่ะผมกะอีกอย่างเงี้ยแบบเที่ยวน้ำ2
It looks good. Best place, best view.
การถึงงานเลยแล้วแป๊บนึงนะครับพอดีออโต้ตั้งไว้
Finally. See you later.
ถ่ายรูปวะจะถ่ายรูปวะ
Hopefully the train will not come at the right time. Unbelievable. So unfortunately, it's not the best time these days to come here, because normally the food stalls and the market vendors are still in working modus. But you can see construction going on here, maybe preparing for the good times. But maybe you can watch my video from the past. I will link it here in the cards, and you can see how it looks like when there is real traffic and there are more tourists when the country is open. So the show is over, train is inside the station, and yeah, that was the whole thing here. So here you can see Mae Klong Station. It's located directly near the Mae Klong River. Maybe you can take the boat, make an make a trip to the other side. I think so. So now I'm looking for a coffee shop, having an espresso and planning the next day. I think it was exhausting, a bit exhausting today, but I have to do it. So I hope you enjoyed the trip to Mae Klong, and hope to see you tomorrow in the next episode from the floating market. See you tomorrow.